Right, so today I've been playing around with this ultra lightweight base, which is very spidery, and the main reason for that is really just because I needed it printed quickly. But as you can see, things have got a little bit taller, and I just realized that aesthetically it sort of means that it's almost like having a scrunched up shoulder on the previous model, and this just feels a little bit more normal. So within that is obviously a bit of tweaking around and getting all those sorts of details right. And as you can see, I'm still using a mixture of 3D printing and cardboard, but it does the trick. Also nice little details here, the reticule, or crosshairs as you might want to call it, that little thing, I don't know whether you can see it there, that is a little piece of my wife's hair that's been used to make that. As apparently Don was telling me that they even use spider silk. So the things you learn on projects when in the middle of it. Apart from all that, I've also been looking at how to basically put all the various code from Don onto the Raspberry Pi, and very much looking forward to testing that tomorrow and seeing whether it all talks and plays nicely. It's one of those things I've come to realize, as much as it might work on one person's computer, doesn't necessarily mean it's going to work when you try and replicate it. So, and therein is the test of how well not only can one do things, but can one transfer the knowledge, and also, in my case, receive it accurately as well. So it is somewhat of a tech handshake. Both things have to work simultaneously and well together. So fingers crossed. Let's see how it goes.